Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Xaero's Minimap 1.21.8. Let's get started. To start, close Minecraft and open a web browser and search for Xaero's Minimap Minecraft and open the CourseForge page. Now click on Files, then scroll down and download the Fabric version for 1.21.8. Next, we need Fabric, which is the mod loader. Search Fabric Minecraft and open fabricmc.net and download the installer for your system. We also need the Fabric API, so head back to CourseForge and find Fabric API for 1.21.8 and download it. Once everything is downloaded, open the Fabric installer and select Minecraft 1.21.8 and click install. After that, open the Minecraft launcher and go to installations, find Fabric 1.21.8 and click the folder icon. Open the mods folder. If it's not there, just create one. Now, drag both the Fabric API file and Xaero's Minimap file into the mods folder and go back to the launcher, select Fabric, and click play. When you load into a world, you'll see a minimap in the top corner. Press Y to open settings and customize it however you like. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.